What is up, everybody? Max here, and welcome to Filmit.io. Today, we're getting started with GridMaker, a quick how-to to get set up and get started. So here, I have GridMaker open in After Effects. So once you have Filmit Studio open on your desktop, if you haven't already installed it, download it from your dashboard and install it. As we can see here in our My Tools section, we have our GridMaker plugin. Just install from here, and you're good to go. Once you open up After Effects, it should be installed. We're going to go to Window, Extensions, and then GridMaker. From here, we have GridMaker open. We can see here, there's a lot of fun options in here. It's pretty easy to scan through. First, if you go to settings right here, you can see that you can join our Discord for more information. You can talk to me directly there. Request a feature, need support directly to Filmit.io. Also, a link to this video right here, and other plugins that we advertise down here. So GridMaker is pretty great. It is a grid application that grids out footage automatically or images inside of After Effects. Pretty cool tool. Really speeds up the workflow. One of the main reasons that we made this is because I use it a lot for Instagram videos and TikTok and whatnot. So today I want to put in some footage inside of After Effects so we can use GridMaker. I'll be using our tool called Sourcer, which sources footage for us, and it's really great. Let's source from videos. Let's insert some 1080 plus landscape videos. Let's do this butterfly. Let's search for a dog. These puppies look great. I'm making animals up. Let's do cow. Everybody loves cows. 4 cows. Let's do drink and a cocktail or a coffee or orange juice. That works. As you can see, Sourcer directly just throws footage into our timeline for us. A great application for finding footage and whatnot as you need. And it's all sourced through free, royalty-free material, which is awesome. Now, GridMaker is pretty straightforward. A couple of options here: padding, gap, fit mode. We want to fill round corners. We don't need that right now. We want to pre-comp the layers. So first off, we just want to make a 4x4 grid. Highlight all your footage and click 2x2, which creates that 4x4 grid automatically. Now your footage is quickly done, and that's pretty chill. I like that a lot. Now let's do Control Z or Command Z on our computer to undo. Now let's do round corners. Let's pad it by 10. Do the same thing, select our footage and do our grid. As you can see, our padding is working. You can zoom in. It padded the corners for us, which is pretty nice. Let's undo this. Let's actually make the padding really dramatic, so it's like really easy to see, by 50, and then 2x2. Now there's a lot of padding. Beautiful. One more time. Let's actually, not padding. One more time. Let's actually add padding and do round corners and do another 2x2. And there you go. So pretty easy to use. Now, currently it's not in pre-comp mode. Pre-comp mode would allow it to create the 4 and actually turn them into pre-comps. So you could actually open up one of the cells and change the footage out later. Great for like template creation or anything like that. Super helpful. And now what would happen if we want to make a bigger grid? So if you do like 3x3, it's going to grid until there's enough footage. So for 3x3, you would need 5 more clips to actually make it a perfect grid. So let's just go ahead and go to Sourcer and just quickly just find popular footage from this thing. Get 5 more clips, and it's all like nature footage, which is totally fine. 2, 3, 4. Let's do beach. Everybody loves the beach. Highlight all that. GridMaker, 3x3. Our paddings are still set, and then there you go. Now, it takes a little longer when you're using pre-comps, but that's on purpose because it's trying to create this perfect grid for us. Now, if you don't do pre-comps, it will go much faster, but it builds it all within After Effects. As you can see here, there's all the layers here. And that may be something you want or desire. And from here, you can actually save a preset if you'd like, but that's totally fine. Now, let's copy all this footage, Command C or Control C, vertical comp, and paste it into here. So what's happening here is all of our footage has been placed into a new composition. It's a vertical composition. Now, the way GridMaker works is it actually understands what your composition is, whether it's a regular screen or a vertical screen. It will, do the math for you. So if we 3x3 this, because this is the exact number, it will figure it out for you. Just like so. Also automatically scale the footage down to make sure it fits your comps perfectly. And I want to do another pre-comp again, and calculates it, and there it is. There's your perfect little grid. This is great for like Instagram, things like that. I see these videos all the time, but I wouldn't actually do any padding for these for like an Instagram it would be a perfect screen. So this speeds up your workflow quite a bit, I hope. That is a quick intro to GridMaker. Hopefully this gets you started inside of After Effects. I want to thank everyone for being a part of Filmit.io, supporting our mission of supporting other filmmakers as we invest into feature films and documentaries. And look out for GridMaker 2.0, which is going to be a very upgraded version. Maybe it's out by now. So, make sure you join our Discord. You can click the settings inside of GridMaker, join the Discord, and you can literally talk to me directly for features, requests, any problems you have, and be sure to check out our full library of plugins. We have TextPilot, Giffer, Proximity, Toolkit, Reducer, Organizer, Callouts, Jump Cut, and Sourcer. We use Sourcer today to find footage, and we have a laundry list of new plugins that are being shipped to customers soon. Currently, our library is at 10. By the time you're watching this video, I bet our library has grown quite a bit. Until then, thanks everyone, and be sure to check out Filmit.io.